I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
I got a little bit wet.
Your feet wet?
No,
not yet. But my legs are.
My socks though, they're pretty cool.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dory, no singing.
Dory. I love to swim in.
Dory.
When you want to swim, you want
See,
to
I'm gonna get stuck now with that.
Jump down, jump down. Yeah!
The wonderful thing about Tiggers is Tiggers are wonderful things. Their tops are made out of rubber, their bottoms are made out of string. They're bouncy, 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 fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about Tiggers is I'm the only one. Tiggers are cuddly fellas. Tiggers are awfully sweet. Everyone else is jealous. That's why I repeat and repeat. The wonderful thing about Tiggers is Tiggers are marvelous chaps. They're loaded with vim and with vigor. They love to leap in your laps. They're jumpy, bumpy, clumpy, pumpy, fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about Tiggers is I'm the only one. I'm the only one.
Oh, buddy. Yeah, buddy. I think we should. Get out.
Hi, Tiffy.
Hi. Hello.
Put me down. Emily Smith. Emily Smith! Guys, should we get the ponies in? Because it's like torrential. Would you like to get your poor horse in, Laura? No. Run away!
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.